From the front, Bajaj Auto is seeing a bit of a recovery, and it has company in the form of other auto stocks. M&M, Hero Motocorp, Tata Motors are all in the green ahead of the auto sales tomorrow. Apart from that, you have steel companies, Tata Steel, JSW Steel, that are in the green as well. Some of the consumption names like Tata Consumer are holding up in the green, but the big gashes are coming on the downside. So let's look at that. The Nifty is now in the red. Adani Enterprises is down almost about 5%, so that knockdown continues over there. Reliance is dragging its feet, and so is ICICI Bank, exerting pressure on the market. Cipla is under pressure. We were talking about that earlier. BPCL as well is down about 1%. SBI, HCL Tech are a couple of other heavyweights that are just languishing a tad bit in the red. So you'd have to say it's a very, very quiet market at the moment. The start is on the quieter side. The advance decline ratio is well in favor of the advances. So in that context, the market breadth is not too bad. The mid-cap index is opened in the green. Would be interesting to see which way things head. Z Entertainment, by the way, is up almost about 5%. And Bank of India is also holding up in the green, so keep an eye out on that. But otherwise, you'd have to say very quiet start to trade. There is no conclusive recovery despite positive global cues. So in that context, there is still a lot of caution in the system after 7 straight days of a fall. Let's see which way it goes from here.
Well, that's right, Sonia. Z, clearly, that's the stock of the morning. It's the exclusion of the company from the F&O segment that's withdrawn. Now the May 2023 contracts are reopened, and also the margin requirements have been eased. So that explains why the stock is up 5%. There have been some changes of guard at the top. So India Bulls Real Estate, the MD Mehul Johnson has resigned, has been replaced by Sachin Shah. Basically, it means that it's more control in the hands of Embassy. Last few days, the stock had a run. India Bulls Real Estate, I think we should get that up for you on the screen. Not housing finance. Let's get the real estate stock up. I think it's up close to around 15% in the last 10 days or so. So that one should come up for you. Some bit of profit taking being seen out there. Lakshmi Organic as well. Senior leadership change. Let's see whether or not that stock is reacting. NHPC, they've got approvals for the Arunachal Pradesh hydro project. So that has opened up with a gain of close to around 1%. Wipro, post the business restructuring, the initial tick was in the green, was up close to around 0.5%. A couple of late earnings reactions, whether it was Vesuvius or Rain Industries, not moving too much out there. Both those two stocks as flat as can be. And Mastech, they have announced a strategic partnership with Netail. So that one as well should come up for you on the screen. Rain Industries for the time being has bounced off the lows. And Cipla as well. It's reacting to that Pithampur facility. They've got the Form 483 from the US FDA. So that one's down close to around 2.5% despite correcting 11% this year so far. Prashant.
Nigel, broader market breadth, I have to say, is firmly negative. I mean, yesterday it was almost 3:1 declines to one stock which was advancing. And this morning, once again, it's 3:1 declines to